Ready for some peas? Ready? Are you smacking your lips? What's that? Is that because it's delicious or horrible? Ready for some more? Smack those lips. Let me see. You're funny. Ready? No, don't use your hands. No hands. Wait, let's see the feet. Yeah. Lip smacker. Lip smacker. Ready for some more? And smack those lips. See it. No, you don't get to feed yourself. You're cracking me up. Hey, hey, Adelaide. Adelaide. Hey, I love you. I love you. I love you. Bye-bye.